Hello everyone, I am Don Thomas, a final year BCA student at Median College. This is a documentary prepared as part of my course IT, Environment and Human Rights. Through this documentary, I will be exploring the environment, ecosystem and human interaction of my native place, highlighting its natural richness as well as the challenges it faces today. My native place is Valtoala near Pambara, a beautiful region located in the Idukki district of Kerala. My native place is a part of Western Ghats, which is one of the world's most important biodiversity hotspot. This region is known for its dense forest, agricultural land, rivers, streams and hills. The climate here is tropical with heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. The local community here lives closely with nature and forest. People depend on agriculture, forest resource and water bodies. They are only following controlled and sustainable practices, maintaining a balance between development and conservation. Ecosystem in my native place. The ecosystem in my native place can be broadly divided into land-based ecosystem and water-based ecosystem. The land-based ecosystem includes forest ecosystem and agriculture ecosystem. The forest ecosystem plays a major role in maintaining ecological balance. It consists of producers, consumers and decomposers. The producers are green plants and trees that prepare their food through photosynthesis. Important tree species found in my native place including teak, white cedar, white sandalwood, red gum, Indian astri. These trees provide oxygen, timber, shade, food and habitat for many organisms. They also help in soil conservation and climate regulation. Agriculture is an important part of land-based ecosystem. Pepper and cardamom are the major agriculture crops grown in my area. Pepper grows as a climber on trees and cardamom grows under forest shade. Consumers include primary consumers such as insect, cattle, then secondary consumers such as birds, frogs and snakes, the tertiary consumers such as eagles and other predators. Decomposers like bacteria, fungi and earthworms break down dead plants and animals and return nutrients to soil. Water-based ecosystem. The water-based ecosystem includes rivers, streams, ponds and freshwater bodies found in my native place. These water sources depend mainly on monsoon rainfall. The producers are aquatic plants and algae. The consumers include fish, frogs, insects and other aquatic organisms. Then the microorganisms act as the decomposers. It helps to maintain water quality. Energy flow in the ecosystem. In both land-based and water-based ecosystem, energy flow from the sun to producers, then to the consumers and finally to the decomposers. This continuous flow of energy helps in maintaining balance in the ecosystem. Biodiversity in my place. Biodiversity refers to the variety of living organisms present in a region. My native place in the Western Ghats has a high biodiversity which can be classified into different types: plant biodiversity, animal biodiversity and agriculture biodiversity. The plant biodiversity includes forest trees like teak, white cedar, white sandalwood, Indian laurel, red gum and Indian astri. Agriculture crops like pepper, cardamom, etc. Medical plants, shrubs, grass and climbers. These plants provide food, medicine, timber, oxygen and shelter. Many medicinal plants are used in traditional systems like Ayurveda. In the animal biodiversity, it includes a wide range of species. Bird diversity includes parrot, peacock, kingfishers, eagles. Then insects like butterflies, bees, beetles which help in pollinations. Mammals include monkeys, wild boar, Indian bison. Aquatic animals including fish, frogs and are found in the rivers and ponds. Some species found here are endemic, meaning they are found only in the Western Ghats. Then the agriculture biodiversity. It includes a variety of crops grown and traditional farming practices. Pepper and cardamom cultivation under forest shade help to conserve soil, water and native vegetation. The importance and value of biodiversity. Biodiversity having different values. Ecological importance. Biodiversity maintains ecological balance by supporting food chain, nutrient cycle and energy for the economic value. Plants biodiversity support agriculture, forestry and fisheries. Forests regulate climate, prevent soil erosion, farm conserve water. Forests provide timber, medicinal plants and raw materials. Biodiversity also supports tourism and local livelihood. Social and cultural value. Biodiversity is closely linked to the culture and tradition of local communities. Traditional medicines and sustainable lifestyle show respect for nature. People depend on biodiversity for food, shelter, and cultural practices. Threats and conservation. Despite its richness, biodiversity in my native place faces threats such as habitat loss, deforestation, pollution, illegal tree cutting, and human-wildlife conflict. To protect biodiversity, in situ conservation methods like protected forests and sacred groves are followed. Ex situ conservation including nurseries, botanical gardens, zoos, and wildlife rescue sanctuaries. The local community contributes to conservation through sustainable agriculture and controlled use of natural resources. In conclusion, my native place in the Western Ghats supports rich land-based and water-based ecosystem with high biodiversity. Biodiversity is essential for ecological balance, economic development, and social well-being. By conserving forests, protecting water bodies, and living in harmony with nature, we can protect biodiversity for future generations.